Welcome to today's YouTube short on Understanding Mental Health for Beginners Part 2. In this video, we'll explore on how to maintain good mental health.
Importance of mental health. Now that we understand the importance of mental health, let's explore some practical steps we can take to maintain good mental well-being. 1. Practice self-care. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as exercise, hobbies, or spending time in nature. 2. Build a support system. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who you can trust and rely on. 3. Manage stress. Develop health coping mechanisms like deep breathing, mindfulness, or seeking professional help when needed. 4. Maintain a balanced lifestyle. Focus on getting enough sleep, eating nutritious meals, and creating a healthy work-life balance. Remember, mental health is a journey, and it's important to be patient with yourself. Seeking help from mental health professionals such as therapists or counselors can be a valuable resource in your journey towards better mental well-being.